The graph shows how the volume of the gas sample changes as the temperature changes and the pressure remains constant. Which of these best represents the rate of change in the volume of the gas sample with respect to the temperature? Okay, so what we're going to end up doing first is let's see what they're asking us first for. So what they want to know is they're asking for the rate of change. Now, when we talk about the rate of change, that is another word for the slope. So what we can do on this one is we can go ahead and get some ordered pairs off the graph and then do LNS and DNS so we can get our equation of the line. So looking at these points, let's say I want only integers. I don't want any decimals or fractions. So this looks like that would be a good number right there for us. Now, looking at what they're giving us, this is 20, and here's 40, so I think they're going by fives. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So this point right here, if I put my XY table, this would be at 30, and then going across, if this is 20, it looks like they're going up by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. So 30, 24 would be my first point. Okay, another point that I could use is maybe this point right there. This one looks good. So once again, they're going by fives, so 80, 85. This looks like it's going to be at 90. Yep, it looks like, so that's at 90. And then my Y, for going up by ones, 26, 27, 28, 29. This looks like that's going to be at 29. Yes, it is. So 29. Okay, so now that I have my table, my ordered pairs, we are going to do LNS and DNS to get that equation. So we go to our calculator, we go on LNS, lists and spreadsheets. The first column, we're going to label that as X. The second column, we're going to label that one as Y. Okay, now we can start entering our numbers. So my X values were 30. The next X was 90. Okay, then we're going to go to our Y values. Okay, my first Y was 24. My second Y was 29. Okay, let's just verify that. 30, 24, 90, 29. Okay, so we're ready to go. So what we can go ahead and do here is, let's do DNS. So we're going to do Control Doc. I want DNS, data and statistics. So here are my points. This axis, I'm going to label that one as X, because X goes side to side. This axis, I'm going to label that one as Y, since it's going up and down. So I have my two dots form a straight line. So when I do my regression, we are going to choose a linear function. So we're going to go to Analyze. We want regression. And since it is a straight line, we want linear, mx plus b. So there's my answer right there. That is the equation of my line. So let's write that down on our paper. So that answer was Y is equal to 0.08333 plus 21.5. Okay, so now that I have my two numbers, oh, this needs an X right there. Okay, the number with the X, that is our slope. The number by itself at the back, that is the y-intercept. They want the rate of change or our slope, so this is my answer. Now notice none of these are decimal answers, so I have to figure out which one of these fractions. Well, I know J is out because it's 22 and a fraction. So looking at the remaining fractions, one of these will give me this number right there. Now the correct answer is letter G. So let's just verify it, that 1 over 12 does give me that decimal right there. So we go back to our calculator, Control Doc. I want a regular calculator, and the number we were double checking was 1 divided by 12. 1 divided by 12. Now if I press enter, I just get a fraction. For me to turn that fraction into a decimal, we click Control Enter. My answer, 1 over 12, is the same thing as 0.08333. And that should match. So let's write that down. 1 over 12 was equal to 0.08333 3, which matches that one right there. G is the correct answer.